What is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of AstroQuiz. This is part 3. So last time we were going over the multiple choice. We got through level 3. We completed level 1 through 3. And yeah, the time before that we were doing the word unscrambling and we were demonstrating all the... Now it's not even letting me click on it. There we go. And yeah, it says that I have 107% on one level and 97% on another, even though we've completed everything to as much as we can complete it to. So, without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right into level 4 of the multiple choice of AstroQuiz. 10 questions. What does a radio astronomical telescope do? Astronomical stuff with radio, I don't know. Observe, detects radio waves. Easy. Which famous nebula is shown in this image? Now see, that kind of looks like a dove, but I'm pretty sure that's eagle. I want to say the eagle, but I almost want to say Orion because you got 3 dots in the middle. Ooh, yeah, isn't that like the closest star-forming region, closest to Earth or something? What astronomical phenomenon is illustrated in the image? The lunar cycle. Phases of the moon, I'm sorry. What term is used to describe the period of time it takes a planet to complete one orbit around the sun? That's a year for Earth. Or I guess, yeah, any. Of the following options, which planet is known as a gas giant? Not us, we got Jupiter. Then you got Mars and Mercury down there, looks like. What type of celestial object is the large Magellanic Cloud? Now see, I was spreading misinformation the last episode. Probably gonna do it again this time, but so the large Magellanic Cloud is it's a galaxy. How many planets are part of the solar system? Bro, there's a whole bunch, but right now we're going with 8. 2006 they declassified Pluto as a dwarf planet. Thanks guys. What is the name of the space mission that took man to the moon for the first time? Ooh, Apollo 11. What is the name of the area where the eye is placed to observe through a telescope? The eyepiece? Context clues? What astrophysical phenomenon does the image represent? Extreme gravitational pull? Black hole? Easy, 100%. Next level, let's go. Alright, what is the name of the region of a star where nuclear fusion takes place and energy is released? Core? What is the name of the elementary particle with a positive electrical charge found in the nucleus of an atom? Positive charge, that would be a proton. What is the name of the telescope that is used specifically to observe the sun and study its solar activity? The solar telescope? The Parker Solar Probe just made its closest approach to the sun, and it was like, what? It became the fastest man-made object ever at like 400,000 kilometers an hour or something. I'm probably way off. What is the name of the concept that describes the curvature of space-time around a massive object as predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity? Gravitational curvature. What is the name of the subatomic particle without an electrical charge found in the nucleus of an atom along with protons? A neutron. What astrophysical process is represented in the image where interstellar gas and dust condense to form new stars? Ooh, star formation. What is the fundamental subatomic particle with a negative electrical charge that orbits around the nucleus of an atom and emits light in astrophysical processes? An electron. Ooh, what astrophysical concept is illustrated in the image which represents how gravity affects time and space around massive objects? The curvature of space-time. What is the name of the process by which a star converts hydrogen into helium through nuclear reactions in its core? Nuclear fusion. What type of galaxy has a spherical shape and contains mainly old stars and little gas? An irregular? An elliptical? Oh, an elliptical. We only got 2 Saturns that time, that's okay. In the image of a cosmic object with an accretion disk, what is the main function of this disk? Ooh, the capture of matter by gravity. What is the name of the moon that is observed in the image and belongs to Saturn? One of Saturn's moons. Titan? What is the main source of energy in the core of stars during the main sequence phase? Nuclear fission, nuclear electron, nuclear fusion of hydrogen. There we go. What is the closest star to the solar system? By the way, the nuclear fusion process in the sun is also called the proton-proton reaction, or the PP reaction, the PP chain reaction. What is the closest star to the solar system? Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri? One of those two. It's the Centauris. Listen, we knew. What is the wormhole paradox in the context of the theory of general relativity? The possibility of time travel. What is the approximate shape of the geometry of the universe according to current observations? It's flat. Euclidean geometry. What phenomenon occurs when a planet appears to recede in its apparent motion across the sky as observed from Earth? Retrogradation. It appears as though Mercury is in retrograde. What is the brightest star in the night sky visible from Earth? Sirius? Vega? Sirius. Which celestial object is observed as a bright diffuse band in the night sky and is composed mainly of gas and stellar dust? Okay, yeah, I get it now. What is the name of the constellation that contains the brightest star in the night sky, Sirius? I don't remember. The Big Dipper? Nope. Canis Major. Big Dog. You only got 2 seconds that time, too. Yeah, we're not doing too good. What astrophysical phenomenon occurs when a massive star collapses under its own gravity and forms an extremely dense and invisible object? Ooh, that's a black hole. What is the name of the constellation that can be seen in this image? It looks like a dog. Constellation of Can Major. What is the name of Jupiter's second largest moon? Ganymede, Io? Callisto. Callisto Protocol? Haven't played that game. Well, who proposed the heliocentric theory in the 16th century? Ooh. Kepler, right? No, it was Copernicus. Yep. Copernican. Galileo considered himself a Copernican, and then the government wasn't having it. How many dwarf planets are there in the solar system recognized by the International Astronomical Union in January 2024? 5. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We got more than 8 planets. Which planets in the solar system are known as gas giants? Well, we can't even see the last answer. And I think it actually is the last answer. It included an invisible answer as one of the boxes. Listen guys. So, it was the right answer. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. What is the name of the space mission that sent the first human being into space? Ooh, Vostok 1. Yuri Gagarin? What is the unit of measurement commonly used to express distance in the cosmos? Light year. What is the name of the largest dwarf planet in the solar system? Is it Aries or is it Pluto? Aries. That's Hubble. It's moving his pipe. We missed one again. That's level. And that was level 3. On the level 4. Wait a second, we already did this level. There we go. Alright, level 5. Sorry. What planet is known as the red planet, bro? That's Mars. Easy. What type of electromagnetic radiation is largely blocked by the Earth's atmosphere, motivating the placement of telescopes in space? X-rays? Yep. That's what black holes mainly emit. Or that's how we pick up black holes, or yeah, something like that. What type of astronomical object does the image belong to? It's a comet. What type of astronomical object does this image belong to? That's a nebula. What is the main function of a spectrograph in observational astronomy? To observe spectrum. Decompose light into its spectral components. What is the name of the largest ground-based telescope in Spain? The Gran Telescopio Canarias? Is it still up and running? What is the densest planet in the solar system? Mercury? Earth. What is the name of the NASA rover that has been exploring Mars since 2012? Ooh. Curiosity. 2012. That was a good year. The world was supposed to end. What is the name of the spiral galaxy closest to the Milky Way? Andromeda. 2.something million light years away or something like that? How many planets in the solar system have rings visible from Earth? 3? Oh, visible from Earth? Well, 3? 4. Now we gotta step our game up, guys. What unit is commonly used to measure the distance to stars outside our solar system? Parsec. Taking the distance from the Sun as a reference, choose the first planet in the solar system, Mercury. What is the name of the asteroid belt located between Mars and Jupiter? The asteroid belt. Yeah. The Kuiper belt. What? What color light do the hottest objects such as young blue? The brighter blue stars burn out the fastest. What type of star is known for its small size and low temperature but shines brightly in infrared light? Brown dwarf. What region of the sun stands out in this image? The middle, the core, the convection zone? The radiant zone. What type of telescope is especially effective for observing distant objects such as galaxies and star clusters? Telescope. I don't know. Reflector? Reflects the light. Which of the following types of light is essential for studying newly formed stars and clouds of gas and dust? Infrared? What type of astronomical observation focuses on measuring the amount of light emitted by a celestial object at different wavelengths? Spectroscopy. What type of telescope uses lenses to collect and focus light? Focus light? Refractor? Refracts? Bends? Is that the right word? Am I thinking about this correctly? Alright. Have we gotten one clip all the way? What does the expansion of the universe solve in Olber's paradox? The Olber's paradox is why the universe looks so dark, despite there basically being a point of light coming from every single spot. What? Yeah, reduces the density of visible stars in the night sky. Okay, so yeah, okay. Somebody understands what I'm talking about. What is the name of the subatomic particle that is released during nuclear fusion in the sun and is essential for the generation of energy in stars? What is the name of it? That is released during nuclear fusion? Neutrino? Positron? Neutrino. That's what's going through us, trillions of them every second, something like that, right? What is the speed of light in a vacuum? 186,000 miles per second, or about 352, or yeah, this one, approximately 300, 299, 792 kilometers per second, something? I missed. What? Taking the distance from the sun as a reference, choose the second planet in the solar system. Alright, so we got Mercury, Venus, but it can be Venus. I remember this time. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Pluto, something like that, right? My very earnest mother just served us nice pizzas. Thanks to Last of Us Part 2. Venus? Damn it. Why did I pick Mars? What is the name of this famous astrophysicist? Listen, I'm letting you down, Neil deGrasse Tyson. How does the rotation speed of a galaxy affect its structure? It's doing a whole bunch of stuff. Rotation speed influences the fornication. What is the name of the region of the galaxy where young stars are found and new stars are forming? Usually in the arms, right? That makes sense, because the older ones would have had more time to go towards the something, I don't know. What measures the appearance of a star? That's like its true brightness, right? Perceived chemical composition. Perceived brightness. Okay, what space telescope was launched in 2018 with the aim of studying exoplanets and searching for signs of life on other planets? The James Webb Space Telescope. Uses like mid-infrared, MIRI, and something else, right? Which theory describes the gravitational interaction of objects essential to understand the mix of galaxies and star clusters? Relativity. Newtonian gravity. Saying that. Atmosphere and light pollution. What galaxy is shown in the image? Looks like the Whirlpool, the Andromeda, the Sombrero. The Andromeda. Okay, listen. Well, I think we're gonna call it there. Cause yeah, we got like what, like 54? Yeah. I was trying to do the math and it says it right on there how many questions it has. So we just went through what, 82? 82 questions? Ooh, breezing. Alright guys, so yeah, we'll pick up from level 6 and we'll go from there next time. And yeah. Thank you for watching. Thanks again for the yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching.